So yeah, turmoil has hit the market in Rivian. But however, we can see that buyers are trying to hit the market as well at around $20. What's going to happen? Let's try to figure it out by simply looking at the price chart. Now, I've had this price prediction in Rivian since the 31st of August, maybe the 1st of September of this year. I did an update on the 19th of September, and as you guys can see, I didn't change the price prediction. I was still looking for price to go up, but instead the next days after, price has gone down. But then yesterday, you guys can see something right there is where we saw the market flip. The 4 days prior, the market in Rivian has gone down, but then yesterday we actually saw the market finally on one day close higher than the previous day close. Not only did that occur, it happened at a location that we suspected that those buyers would prop into the market, right? Are we out the woods? Or are we going to continue to see the market crash in Rivian? Let's try to figure this out, because we need to really be real with what we see in the market. Okay? Got to be real. If we don't see strength on the chart, it's there for a reason. We're not seeing it for a reason. It's because the majority of the market is weak. Majority of the market is trying to take profits, or they're trying to release themselves from massive losses. What do you think? Because for us to not see price in Rivian continue to go higher within our price prediction target, and for it to get rejected off of this downtrend line, and for it to trade back below this area once was acting as support that is now acting as resistance, all of those are problems for the market buyers. And currently they're not winning. The buyers are not winning. Let's look at the market in Rivian on the 2-day chart. Okay. I think you guys get the gist. We are in a descending triangle, which is indicative of weakness. Okay. So I think we might need to get rid of this current price prediction and look for the market in Rivian to continue to go lower. What do you guys think? This 3-day price bar here that just got finished printing, look at that. It's a probable precursor strength. So the next 3 days is going to be crucial for us to really tell if those buyers came in around 20 bucks. It's going to be crucial. So keep your eyes open on the next 3-day bar to print, because that would definitely tell us that those buyers came in at $20. I think we're getting the initial stages of that occurring in Rivian, but it's nothing to hang your hat on yet, because the 5-day chart, look at that 5-day price bar there. Weekly chart, look at that weekly price bar there. See, don't get fooled as to what you're currently seeing into the market right now, because we still have to go through what happened the prior week. Here it is on the monthly chart. Okay. Should we prepare ourselves to see the market in Rivian break $20 to the downside? Because if that occurs, we would have to focus on the area of support in this range. Do you think we're going to hit that in the long term, i.e. weekly, monthly time frame? What do you think? If so, where do you see it? Where do you see the market in Rivian grabbing support? Is it 19? That's a logical area for us to see the market hold support, around 19. Next area will be 18. I can see 17 also as an area too. So it looks like the market is going to be in dollar increments for our targets. Okay. I'm gonna see this on the hourly chart, the longer term hourly chart. So yeah, I would say the first target would be like $20, 1980. 18. Second. Third would be like 17. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this price prediction here into the market in Rivian. You can see 11.88% yesterday. Hopefully you was able to grab some target, some profit at the high of September the 15th, which is 8.32. But let's get back to what we're looking at. So now, initially, I think the market doesn't know that it wants to go down. There's some individuals who are clueless as to thinking that Rivian overall is weak. They think that this is a buying opportunity. That's why the market initially came and bounced off 20. So that would have to be my first target though, because I already know that buyers came in there. So seeing the market in Rivian come back down to that level, that gives us 5.31%. Okay. My second target was like 1980. Well, we just leave it where our first target is, 20 then. My second target is 18, which is 14.78%. And then my third target is at $17, 19.42. Now, as long as Rivian's price stays below this downtrend line, we already know what's up. We already know where most of the weight is being pushed on the price, and it's to the downside. So even if you see the market in Rivian come all the way back up to this downtrend line, if it doesn't break it, then the greater idea is that price is still weak. Okay, so that's it. This is what I'm looking at currently into the market. If I still see following this video, following this price prediction, the market buyers still trying to hold 20, then we might need to come in and anticipate that the market's going to try to hit that downtrend line. So that's pretty much what I'm waiting for to see in the market in Rivian, to see if that's going to be the case. But we'll see what happens. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Hit the like button, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.